Is trailer insurance required? Have you ever wondered if you need insurance for your trailer? This question can be a bit tricky, as it really depends on where you live and the type of trailer you have. Let's break it down together. First off, a trailer is usually a non-motorized vehicle designed to be towed by another vehicle. Many people think they need separate insurance for their trailers, but that is not always the case. In many states, if you have auto insurance for your towing vehicle, that policy may extend liability coverage to your trailer. This means that if your trailer causes damage or injury while being towed, your car insurance could cover those costs. However, when it comes to comprehensive and collision coverage for the trailer itself, things change. These types of coverage are not automatically included in your car insurance policy. If you want protection against theft or damage to your trailer, you will likely need to purchase additional coverage or a separate trailer insurance policy. Now let's talk about legal requirements. In states like Florida, there is no law requiring separate trailer insurance. Your car insurance typically covers the trailer's liability. On the other hand, states like Texas have specific rules. If your trailer has a gross vehicle weight rating of 4,500 pounds or more, you may need to have insurance, which could mean getting a separate policy or adding an endorsement to your auto policy. Other states, such as Utah and Virginia, have various rules. Some requiring you to register and title your trailer but do not mandate separate insurance. Instead, they relying on the towing vehicle's coverage for liability. Utility trailers, which are non-motorized, generally do not requiring separate insurance, but having coverage can still be a good idea to protect against theft or damage. When it comes to roadside assistance, this coverage is often tied to your towing vehicle's auto insurance or roadside assistance plan. This can include help with changing trailer tires, towing services if the trailer breaks down, or other emergency services. Having comprehensive trailer coverage can help you avoid gaps in protection, especially if your trailer is valuable or used frequently. So, is trailer insurance required? The answer is that it varies by state and type of trailer. Liability coverage is often included under your car insurance, but for comprehensive and collision coverage, you may need to take extra steps. Always check your state laws and your auto insurance policy to understand what coverage you have and what you might need for your trailer.